In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to export step files from your design software using a method that works across most modern CAD platforms. Exporting your projects as step files is an essential skill for any designer, engineer, or maker, as it allows you to share high-quality 3D data across different programs without losing the geometric integrity of your models. Whether you are sending a design to a client, preparing a file for CNC machining, or collaborating with a teammate who uses different software, the STEP format is the industry standard for interoperability. This guide is updated for the latest workflows to ensure you get the best results every single time. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical tips and software walkthroughs. Your support really helps me keep creating these deep dive guides for the community. Alright, let's get started with the export process. The very first thing you need to do is ensure your model is finalized and ready for export. Once you are satisfied with your work, navigate your cursor to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will find the main navigation bar. Click on the File menu. This will open a drop-down list featuring various options like Save, Open, and Print. From this list, you want to look for the Export option. Go ahead and click Export. Clicking this will typically open a new window or a sidebar where the software asks for specific details regarding the export. This is where most people get confused, but it is actually very straightforward. In the new window that appears, look for a drop-down menu, usually labeled as Type, Format, or Save as Type. Click on this drop-down to see a long list of compatible file extensions. Scroll through the list until you find step files, which are often denoted by the .step or .stp extension. Selecting this specific format ensures that your solid geometry remains intact rather than being converted into a mesh, which is why STEP is so much better than formats like STL for engineering purposes. Once you have selected STEP as your file type, you need to tell the computer where to put the file. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and select a save location that is easy for you to find later, such as a dedicated project folder or your desktop. While you are here, you can also rename the file to something descriptive so you don't lose track of different versions of your design. Now that you have selected the format and the destination, look for the final confirmation button at the bottom of the dialog box. This is usually a button simply labeled Export or Save. Click Export to begin the process. Depending on the complexity of your 3D model, this might take anywhere from a couple of seconds to a minute. The software is currently translating all of your mathematical surfaces into a standardized language that other CAD programs can understand. Once the progress bar finishes or the window disappears, your file is ready to go. You can now open your File Explorer, navigate to the folder you chose earlier, and you'll see your brand new step file sitting there, ready for sharing or manufacturing. It is always a good practice to try re-importing that file back into your software or a free viewer, just to verify that all parts of the assembly were captured correctly. This simple verification step can save you a lot of headache down the line when working with external manufacturers. And that is really all there is to it. You have effectively mastered the standard workflow for exporting high-quality engineering data. If this video helped you clear up the confusion around 3D file formats, please hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.